morning, everybody. How are you today?
Great.
All right. Today we're starting math, and we're going to start with a number talk. All right. So, who can tell me a little bit about what a number talk is? We've all done it before. Just kind of get an idea. Woody?
It's a talk about numbers and math, and you usually give us a math question
Okay.
that we try to answer.
Anyone else? Mitchell.
Like a math talk is when we discuss a problem together and people work it out and where we can get involved.
Okay. And we'll just do one more. Jack.
Basically what it means is you're forming a conversation about math.
Good. I like a lot of the words I hear. Number talks are exactly what you guys are saying. Talk means conversation. So one of the things we're going to be doing is having a conversation. Raise your hand if you like having a conversation or like to talk. I thought so. Me too. So this should be a very pleasant, fun experience. The other part of number talk is that word numbers. And numbers can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. So it's looking at things, but maybe looking at it in a way that we may not have thought of. Okay? And that's today's objective. Today's objective is for you to really think about numbers in a different way. And then we're going to talk about it. Okay? So does that sound like a plan?
Yep.
Alright, so if you're ready, give me a thumbs up so I know everyone's ready. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start. Alright? So the directions is from now, where's the clock? Right up here. Everyone look at the clock, please. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and write something on the board. For the next 2, maybe 3 minutes, I just want you to take time to think. The note cards are there for you to kind of write down some of your thoughts that you've had in your head. Alright? But mostly think and just write a few things. Please, please, and I'll repeat, please do not talk about it right now. Okay? In fact, kind of even keep your cards a little private so people don't see them. Not because we're not hiding our answers. It's because I want everyone to think for themselves. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are we technically just writing down what's been in our head for the past moments?
Nope. It's going to be a little bit different than that. Okay? Alright. So here's what we're going to do. Okay? So this number right here. Okay? I want you to write that number on the top of your note card, like a title. Okay? Now when I say the magic word, mathematics, I want you guys to think as much as you can about that number and different ways to express that number, what comes to mind on that number, anything you can think of about this number. Okay? I'm going to give you at least 3 minutes. If everyone's done a little bit shorter, then we might go 2 minutes, 30 seconds. But I really want you to take time and think about this number and think about everything you know about this number, everything you can do about this number, just this number. Just go to town on this number. Does that make sense to everyone? Mm-hmm. So let's talk about 360. What are some of the ideas you have on 360? I would like everyone to share, okay? Mm-hmm. So maybe we'll just start here and go around the room, all right? So Mitchell, give me one idea about 360.
180 equals 1/2 of 360.
Okay, so 180 equals what?
1/2 of 360.
1/2 of 360. Okay, how'd you figure that out? And can you?
I divided 360 divided by 2.
Okay.
Equals 180.
Okay.
And then I had another one which
Okay.
follows.
Hold on. I'm gonna give everyone a shot, and then we'll start talking about other ones.
Okay.
Andrew.
360 is a full spin.
Okay. So 360 is a full what?
Spin.
What do you mean by spin?
It's a full turn. If you stand, if you're facing this side of the wall, and you make a circle.
Okay.
Face
So
that side
a 360 is a full what?
A full spin.
I know. What was one of the words you used?
Circle.
Yes. Which is what type of term?
Eight.
Geography.
Oh yeah.
Or
Geometry.
Geometry.
Geometry, not geography.
Geometry. Yeah. Good job. All right, Max.
60 divided by 3 equals 20, and 20 is also an even number, like 360.
Good. How'd you get that?
You divide.
How did you find out it was even?
Because it ends in a 0.
Good. So anything that ends in a 0 or what?
Even number.
If it ends in a 0 or divisible by what?
2.
It is a?
Even.
Well done. Okay? Alright. I'm going to take a break for just a second. How many people have any of these? Just so I have an idea. How many knew that 180 is half of 360? Okay, I'm going to count. So, raise your hand if you had this one. Keep it up there the whole time so I can count, please. If you had 180 is half of 360, keep your hand up, please. 1, 2, 3. Did you have it?
No.
4, 5. Okay, good. How many people had 360 is a full circle or something to that effect? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Alright, and then how many knew that 60 divided by 3 is 20? Anyone have that? 1, 2, 3. So right now, just to kind of let you know, you guys are already starting to come up with similar ideas. But as we go through, you're going to find some other ideas too. Alright? So let's just continue to go through and see where we come at. Olivia, what is something that you have?
I did 90, and it's an even number, times 4.
90 times 4.
Which is 4 is also an even number, which will equal 360.
Uh-huh.
So you know that that 360 would be an even number.
Okay. So, she took, is it Andrew or Max? She took Max's idea and went another step, alright? What did she say that Max didn't say? Does that make sense or not? I guess what I'm trying to say is, Max said that because of this, it's even. But she went one step farther. What was the step she went that was a little farther? Anyone know? Bryce.
It's a quarter turn throughout 360 degrees.
Alright, she didn't say that.
Well,
That's good observation. It is a quarter turn of 360. Okay. But what did she say specifically? You want to say it again?
So 90, you know, is an even number,
Uh-huh.
and you know that 4 is an even number too.
Uh-huh.
So you know 360 would be an even number.
Right.
Because it's even
Because
number
it's
times
even.
even number.
Right.
Equals an even number.
So any number that you're breaking 360 apart is going to be what?
It's even number.
Even. Well done. Well done. Does that make sense, Max?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's keep moving. All right, class. As we wrap up, I just wanted to bring it all together. All right. Now, one of the purpose of Math Talks is so that you're able to understand math is not just one topic or one subject. You can see, just doing a number like 360 right here, we can come up with so many different ideas and topics. Right now we have a total of 15 different ideas that you guys came up with, alright? 15 different ones. And they're not just multiplication, addition. We have things like year, we have time, we have geometry, we have vocabulary like prime factorization, round, circumference. So that's kind of the purpose of Math Talks, guys. It's not that there's just one answer to math. Math is more than just an answer. Math is a process. And what you're learning right here, by doing a talk like this, is the process of math. With a number like 360, you can come up with so many different ideas. And that's kind of the purpose of Math Talks. So does this kind of make sense to you guys? Does it kind of bring it all together? All right. Thank you guys for your time. Awesome job. And keep exploring math. You can find all kinds of different ideas and ways. So have fun with numbers, okay?